Hello guys, another mother of the bride na naman tayo guys for today's video. Ayan, mother of the bride tayo guys ha, mother of the bride. Ayan, pwede siyang mother of the bride, pwede siya pang ninang. With the insertion tayo guys ha, of course may pa-insertion tayo dyan. Diba? Ang perfect lang pagka-layout niya guys, no? Mura lang yan ha. PM lang kayo guys. Kasi ito pina-customize niya sa akin to. Oh yes. Starting natin guys 3.5 pag sa mga ganito. Starting 3.5. Perfect. Mother of the bride. Mother of the bride tayo guys. Ayan yung likod niya. Ayan yung likod niya guys. Naka-insertion pa din, of course. With a tulle fabric. With a mesh.